Utter devastation in Haiti. Tens of thousands are feared dead in the aftermath of the strongest earthquake to hit the country in more than 200 years.
Daddy, check it out.
You know, read it on the plane, okay, sweetie?
Would it kill you to put the camera down and look at your daughter?
Hey, you. Come see. Help.
I'm gonna get you out of here, okay? I can't see. My legs are bent.
Where did you come from?
We're the news team.
And what does your camera see of Haiti?
Well, you people could use some building codes. That'd be a good start.
Is that what you see? Us people?
Ah! We need water.
Mama!
Grace, I do love you. I hope I get the chance to show you again.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna get out of here.
Our suffering is nothing compared to the joy